Ants have mastered agriculture. They actually grow their own food underground. Deep beneath the soil, these tiny farmers tend vast fungal gardens, planting and harvesting fungus as their main source of nutrition. They break down leaves and feed them to their fungal crops, creating perfect conditions for the fungus to thrive. Each ant has a job. Some chop leaves, others care for the garden, and a select few even act as pest control, battling invaders like microscopic mites. If an infection threatens their crops, the ants unleash natural antibiotics, produced by bacteria living on their bodies. This partnership keeps their fungus healthy and their colony fed, a farming system that's been running smoothly for millions of years. So while we think of ants as simple insects, entire underground civilizations are busy cultivating food, fighting pests, and practicing agriculture long before humans ever picked up a plow.